You okay, YouTube? Just got a shipment in today. My own box it. See what I got. Box down here. Okay. Size 10. Air Jordan 3. See what I got. Unboxing it. What kind of logo that is? Okay, got the Levi paper. Individual wrap. I'm just gonna unwrap one. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Levi Jordan 3s. The black denim. Things are nice. Everybody says like the black cements. They do. It's only, you know, black cement got the gray at the bottom. It's like I got the black tone instead of the gray tone, which I like. A good hit off of those. Got the extra laces. Got the red ones and the white ones. I might do the white. Might do the white during like the summertime. The red, you know, not too hot on the red laces. Plus I got an outfit or something. They got a lot of red in it just to pop it off. Other than that, I like these bad boys. So very nice. I wonder how the blue denim look. I'm gonna wrap these bad boys back in the paper. These are real nice. I know the blue ones are still sitting on the sneaker app. Nobody really pressed with those, or is it because they released on Wednesday instead of Saturday? Is it because a lot of people don't know they release? Because during the work week, I don't know. But them blue ones seem hot too. But yeah, guys, just unboxing the Air Jordan 3 Levi's. Tell me what you think about them. Hit the comment, subscribe, and so I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you on the blue denim video. That denim is real nice on there. Okay, I'm out.